G'day folks, excuse my man playing in the background there, the man. Just for those who want to know, if you're putting on these, I'm going to put on these saddlebag guard rails. These are the, so yep, so they pop down through here. There is marks that are already there, ready. This one I've gone a little bit wide because this one I took 10 or 15 minutes or so to sort of just, it was wouldn't fit. It wasn't, they weren't spaced in the correct manner. So they're a little millimeters longer. So I just sort of played around until eventually it snuck in nicely. This one I went slightly to the outer parts on each, and it's gone straight in with that one, so it's good. So I'm gonna pop those on, and there got the bolts, and we'll see how the finishing touch goes. Okay, well, you're done, sort of. Now, for anyone who gets these, the installation is easy, but it's not easy. You'll get my meaning. Now, I've got these on to give you an idea. Now, they got sort of markers that are there that are ready for these, if you're lucky. Now, I did have markers, but they did not line up. So I've put these in there, and I'm going to, they're on really hard. They're not going to go anywhere like that, but I will do these two. It was even worse on the left one. The markers didn't even match up. If you can see, that's the markers there, and it didn't line up at all. Why, I don't know. I've got my mate Martin in Queensland who's got exactly the same bike, and his were spot on. But anyway, I've worked around it. So once again, I've put these on. They're solid as a rock, and I will finish it off putting those on just for peace of mind. But solid as a rock anyway. So they're the Indian motorcycle saddlebag guards. They're very nice. I'm happy with them. I was looking at getting them dipped in that gold thing, but that was just out of control with price wise. And really, I don't think it would have worked. I think the silver was probably better. Anyway, that's the installation of the guard rails, and that's what they come with. They come down, and they go down facing the bottom. It doesn't go up to the top. A good hint I got from Martin in Queensland was on the left one, if you do it, you've got extra wires that go run along there in the bag, and you've got to look out for that to make sure you do not go drilling into those wires. They can just pretty much be lifted up. It's out of the way, but just be aware of that. There you go. Some fascinating information. You're welcome. Have a great week, everyone. Sign up, 2 Digby's, 1 Indian. See you.